Boom! Welcome back to the Simmer the Speaker channel. I am your cleaning guide to cleaning business success. Simmer the Speaker, that's me, right? If you're new to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot. Once again, at the end of the video, if you felt like I gave you some value, if you got some value from what I was saying, felt like I put an effort to give you value, give me a thumbs up. When you check the details of this video, the bio of the videos, whatever they call it, you will see a free community link. Definitely click the link to join our free Remote Cleaning Business University community, where we have live webinars, Q&A, and there's a free ebook waiting for you. If you would like to do a one-on-one as well, you can book a one-on-one with me through a link in my bio as well. Follow my TikTok. Simmer the Speaker, same name as the channel here. I drop a lot of videos on TikTok as well, so you can definitely watch that as well. It'll be cool. I think you're gonna love it. We drop a lot of videos. Hit the bell notification as well if you want to get some more videos. You wanted to know when we were going to actually drop. Let me check my YouTube right now. I have a problem. I love just checking my YouTube. But yes, hit that bell notification as well. If you want to get a notification, we drop videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Yes, we drop videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 6 p.m. if you're wondering. So, with that being said, I want to get straight into the video. Got distracted about wanting to check out my YouTube. I feel like every time I talk about it, I just want to actually check it out. So, but no worries. With that being said, I got a question recently. And this question, I was like, you know what? I think I should make a video about this. And the question I got was, will the remote cleaning business make you rich? Will cleaning business make you rich? That is a great question. I think that's a great question, right? And because let's be honest, right? We get into business, and we want to obviously build a level of wealth when we're starting something. So now the question is, will the cleaning business make you rich? I think that's a great question. I want to talk about a couple things. So the first thing I want to talk about is this, right? Rich and wealthy is kind of different to everybody, right? And the reason I say that is, you may have someone that comes from making $2,000, a month, to making $10,000 to $20,000 a month. And for them, they're like, well, I'm rich, right? For rich may be $100,000 to $1 million plus a month, right? That may be rich for them. So I first want to say that when we're saying, will the cleaning business make you rich, you need to define for yourself, what is rich? You need to define for yourself, what is rich? Now, with that being said, before I kind of go deeper into the answer, can you make a lot of money from the remote cleaning business model? 100%. 100%. You can 100% make a lot of money from it, right? I've seen people, and I'm not saying that these people are my best friends, but I have seen people that have made multiple millions from this model, right? And with that being said, something I talk about all the time is being able to create the remote cleaning business, right? And now that you have a system that you can replicate, you can literally create another business. You could rather keep your main one and sell the other one, or you could sell your main one and keep the second one that you created. Now, I've seen people sell their business for six figures, anywhere between $300,000 and $500,000. Excuse me, depending on the amount of reoccurring revenue that you're doing and other factors, but I don't want to go into that. So now, don't get me wrong. When you sell a cleaning business for let's say $400,000 and you get $400,000, does that feel good? Yeah, right. You just sold a business and got $400,000, which some people don't make. Let's say you're making $50,000 a year, you're not gonna see technically a total of $400,000 to like 8 months, right? I mean to 8 years. Forgive me, right? To 8 years. And some people that are still making $100K a year, you just made 4 years worth of their salary off of one business transaction, while you're still, making money off your regular remote cleaning business or the second one that you opened up. So, can this business make you rich or wealthy, right? It can. It can make you a lot of money. It will definitely make you a lot of money, right? Now, like I said, that just depends on what rich is to you, right? For some people that have nothing, rich is just being able to maybe buy food or put a roof over their head or whatever, right? So that may be, if that's what they're looking for, yes, a remote cleaning business can do that. Now, the beauty of this, and it is ironic, is this book right here, right? And hopefully, perfect. This book right here. Now, the thing about it is, Alex Hormozi says something that is very interesting, and I always love to reference. And Alex says, you can make $100 million off any business. That's one thing Alex Hormozi does say. He said, honestly, there's not too many, or there's not really one or two industries that he doesn't know, or not many industry he doesn't know that you can't make a 100 million on. Hopefully I said that correct. So now if we take that idea from what Hormozi was saying, yes, the cleaning business can make you rich if you do it right, right? And that could be, for example, you could franchise. You can make 100 million off franchising, right? Depending on what you're charging your franchise fee and the commission or the amount of money they would need to kick back to you every month, right? So can you make, going based off that logic, could you be rich off the cleaning business? You could. You definitely could, right? If you want to look at that level of rich, right? Because I know we talked about rich and, being able to wake up, put a roof over your head, buy food, that type of rich. But if we're talking about hundreds of millions, if we're talking about multi-million, yes, you can 100% do multiple millions within the cleaning business. Another thing is, let's say you don't even franchise, right? Let's say you're still trying to make multiple millions. What if you open up multiple cleaning companies in different states? What if you open up multiple cleaning companies in different states, right? So let's even do some math. Let's say you open up 40 cleaning businesses, one per state. Let's say you're missing a couple states. Let's say you didn't want to do all states, right? Let's say you do one per state, and let's say you're doing 40,000. 40,000 a month times 12 equals 480,000, right, for the year. And let's say you multiply that by 40, we're talking about 19.2 in revenue. 19.2, so let's say close to $20 million in revenue a year. That's good money. They say that if you make, and this might be personal income, but nonetheless, they say if you can produce 25 M's, that's FU money. I didn't want to really curse on it, but 25 M's is FU money. So, in all honesty, can you become rich running a cleaning business? You can. You definitely can. It just depends on how you structure it. Whether it be going back to, if rich for you is just being able to provide because you went from making 2,000 to 10 to 15 to 20,000 for yourself, right? That might be for you. That might be like, hey, I'm rich. Right? I'm making multiple six figures a year. And you're cool with that. Yes, that's true. You could do that. That would make that. If that's what makes you rich, yes, the cleaning business can do that for you. Going based off of Hormozi's logic, that you can make 100 M's off any business. Maybe you franchise, like I said, maybe you create a franchise. Then yes, it can definitely make you rich. Maybe all you want to do is create cleaning businesses and create them and sell them. Create them and sell them. You sell a good amount of them, you can make a good amount of money doing that. Or maybe you just want to open up one business per state, right? And make sure each business is doing 30 to 40, 40 to 50, right? Maybe 50 to $100,000 a year. Then yeah, you could definitely become rich. And I actually want to do that math as well, right? I didn't mean 100,000 a year. I wanted to say 100,000 a month, because there are people that have to hit 100,000 a month. So I don't want to say it's not possible. It's 100% possible. Whether you do residential, commercial, there's ways to hit that, right? Let's say 100,000 a month times 12 equals 1.2, right? Times 40. Because let's say 40 state, we're talking about close to 50 M's, 48 million, right? So in general, yes, you can. The only thing I would say is, it just depends on what rich is to you, right? If rich is a couple 100,000, then yes, you can. If rich is, 8, 9 figures, right? Then yeah, 7 to 9 figures is possible. The only thing I will say is the level of work that it's gonna take is just gonna be a little bit different, right? It's just gonna be a little bit different. So obviously, to simply just make a couple 100,000 throughout the years, or a couple 100,000, it gets an income or in revenue, per year, it's going to be different than what it's going to take to make multiple millions, right? So you'll just have to kind of figure that out, right, when it comes to getting to that actual number. But nonetheless, I just wanted to kind of go deep into that a little bit. Hopefully I didn't go too deep or bore you with that. But yeah, you can definitely become rich. Honestly, going back to what I said, going back to Hormozi's philosophy, there's a way to make 100 million from any industry, right? Just about how you scale it. So yes, it can make you rich if you are willing to put in the work. If this is the one thing you're like, you know what, I want to build this and I want to continuously build this, right? You might even create software. You might even create software for cleaning companies. You can scale software tremendously, right? A lot of CEOs that, created softwares or created software companies have high net worth, right? So It's just about how you do it. It is possible, but you know, once again, thank you for being on this video. Thank you for being here. I know this was a unique video that you know, didn't necessarily talk about building the remote cleaning business, but hopefully it gave you hope, knowing that okay, if you do start this, there's a lot of money that can be made. So, with that being said, with that being said, I don't know why I wanted to do that, but thank you for being here. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification just to get some reminders as well when we drop videos. And we drop videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 6 p.m. as well. Like I said, we have the free community link below. If you want to do the one-on-one, we have that below. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok or IG. We have hundreds of videos on TikTok, which we'll be transitioning over to IG as well, so we can give you some videos there. But nonetheless, thank you so much for being here, and you know, I'll see you at the next video. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.